Hey, what's up my little pineapples, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Luly Star, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do your manicure. I know during this pandemic a lot of places closed down. I know my lady, she did, but now she's back, but there's no way to get an appointment with her. She's teaching classes and it's just hard to get a hold of her. So I said, you know what, I don't trust nobody else with my nails because she does an amazing job, but I know I could do it one too. So I took it upon myself to find the best products so my manicure can last. Usually it does not last more than a day or two, but with these items and the way I have perfected my manicures, they are lasting more than a week, like a little over a week, not too much, because at the end of the day it's regular manicure. It's not gel and it's not gonna last as long. If you clean, if you cook, it doesn't matter, it won't. But a week to me is a lot. Usually when I was doing my older routine, it would last 1 day or 2 days, but this I guarantee you will last more than 5 days. So if you guys are DIYers and you guys love pampering yourself at home and at the same time save some money, then just keep on watching. First, I like to make sure that I have everything I need, and as you guys saw, there's a couple of items that you're going to be using for this manicure, so I like to have everything ready before I even sit down and get started. So first I'm going to start by cleaning out my old nail polish. I'm going to be doing the same color, so it might look like I already did them, but I haven't. They are looking pretty crazy right now, so let's clean them out first. Next step, I like to soak my nails, and you're just gonna soak them in warm water. You can add some Epsom salt or some soap. I just do plain water, and then I just start pushing my cuticle. When I go back in there and cut them with the scissors, it's much easier and it doesn't hurt. Also, pro tip, if you guys don't have cuticles, don't cut them, just leave them alone. Just push them back like I'm doing right now, and then you'll be saving this whole step, because I started cutting my cuticles at a very young age and I see one and I cut it and it's crazy. So just push them back, they'll look really nice and you can avoid this whole step. Now with this tool, I'm going to clean underneath my nails. Even if they're short, you gotta clean every single time you get a manicure or you do your own manicure, because we collect a lot of dust. And I'm just rinsing them and pushing everything to the side, getting ready to file away. I like to have my nails pretty square, so when I do my own manicure, it's very satisfying to see the outcome because they're just so square and perfect the way I like them. And now they're short, but I usually have them a little longer because one of them chipped over the weekend. So I'm just gonna file them very short so they can be all even. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this buffer. It has 4 steps. It gets from rough to soft, I believe. Yeah. And the last step, you're going to shine your nails so beautifully that you don't need to add any nail polish. Of course I will, because this is the whole point of the video, but you don't have to. If you don't like to do nail polish, you could just stop after here and your nails will look clean and very polished, and you guys will love it. Just gonna go ahead and spray a little bit of alcohol. I'm using this hand sanitizer by Swab, just to make sure I don't have any oils there before I start applying my nail polish. Before you apply any nail polish, make sure your nails are completely clean and dry. So I'm gonna start with this base that I am loving right now, and I think this is actually what's helping my manicure last a lot longer. I like to start by applying a very small, very thin layer, and I clean as I go so I don't have to go back and clean. Before I forget, make sure you only apply one coat of your base. I'm just gonna let my nails sit for a minute, maybe 2, before I apply my first color coat. And I'll just check here and there if I have any little spill outs and just clean them up. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead with my Essie in the shade Minimalist. This is the perfect pink. If you're into pinks like me, trust me, you're going to love this pink. It's very baby pink. I don't know, it's just the perfect shade, and I like to clean my nails as I go. Like I said, I don't want to go back and clean them. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this all over. And before I apply my second coat, I'm going to let it dry also a minute or 2. Alright, now that I am done applying my 2 coats, I'm going to let my nails set for about 8 minutes. This is very key, guys. Don't skip this step. Next, I'm going to apply my top coat and my last coat. And this nail polish dries so quick. I think within like 5 minutes, your nails will be dry. Make sure, like I said, you apply thin coats. And I just do 1 because less is more. I'm not going to get tired of saying that. Just apply 1 coat all over your nails. Okay, so here's my little pro tip. You guys can skip it. It's very optional. And if you want your nails to dry much faster, just soak them in very, very, very cold water, or put them in the freezer or in ice water. That will do the trick. All right, and last but definitely not least, I'm going to apply Rejuvenique oil on my cuticles. It's just gonna look much nicer, and my hands are gonna look hydrated. So yeah, this is the last step. My cute little cuticles that I cut, but you know, to look even nicer. I love that glossy, shiny look. But yeah, if you guys want this product, I'm gonna link it down below. So this is a manicure at home, you guys. Alright, my little pineapples, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and like this video for more similar videos if I'm feeling crazy. And also comment below if you guys have any tips or tricks on your manicures. I mean, if there's something that I did that you guys do and it's better, I would love to try it out. So just let me know, and we share each other, you know, tips and tricks. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.